Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable playback speed controls on IRS online videos or media content, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Note that the IRS online portal does not typically have video playback features with speed controls. However, if you encounter embedded videos, you can adjust browser settings. Step 2. Open your web browser and navigate to the IRS website where the video is located. Step 3. Right-click on the video player and look for playback settings or options. Step 4. If playback speed controls are visible, set the speed to normal or 1x to disable faster playback. Step 5. For YouTube videos embedded on IRS pages, click the gear icon on the video player. Step 6. Select playback speed and ensure it is set to normal. Step 7. If you want to prevent accidental changes, use browser extensions like Video Speed Controller to lock playback speeds. Step 8. Alternatively, disable JavaScript for the IRS website to prevent interactive controls, though this may affect other site functions. Step 9. Check your browser's accessibility settings to ensure videos play at normal speed by default. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.